Hey guys, today we'll be comparing two different brands, Tailor Brands and Shopify. So keep watching till the very end just to know the final verdict on which is better. Alright, so let's begin. Tailor Brands is a comprehensive AI-powered toolkit designed for business development, advertising, and branding. It initially launched just as a tool for quick and simple logo creation before expanding to offer a wider range of services such as website design, LLC formation, and a design suite for branded merchandise. Shopify, on the other hand, is a leading e-commerce platform, providing companies with everything they need to build and run an online store. Its comprehensive toolkit covers everything from website design to social media and email marketing tools, SEO-enhanced blogging, and more. However, Shopify has also created a range of complementary tools for businesses, such as the Hatchful logo generator, which gives it comparable functionality to Tailor Brands. The question can be a little more complicated to answer than it seems. After all, it's not an apples-to-apples comparison. While Shopify is a comprehensive e-commerce platform, Tailor Brands is a toolkit intended to help companies form a memorable brand identity. The two companies focus on different target audiences, but that's not to say they don't have some overlapping capabilities. With this in mind, we'll be focusing this review specifically on the things you can do with both Tailor Brands and Shopify. Shopify vs Tailor Brands. Since Tailor Brands started as a logo design tool, it's worth starting our review with an overview of the logo creation functionality offered by this platform compared to Shopify. Tailor Brands is one of the most popular AI-driven logo makers on the market. The straightforward solution is incredibly easy to use, asking for just a few details about your brand, such as your name and industry, before providing a range of templates to choose from. Companies can use Tailor Brands to create a monogram, wordmark, or icon for your business, depending on your needs. Tailor Brands' AI algorithm generates a host of font and typography options for you to explore, as well as numerous shapes and images to experiment with. You can alter each part of your design to suit your needs and immediately export your design into a high-res vector SVG, PNG, or EPS file. Shopify vs Tailor Brands. Logo creation isn't the only thing Tailor Brands and Shopify have in common. Both platforms also allow business leaders to create their own professional-looking websites. However, it's worth noting that while Shopify ensures companies can create virtually any kind of site, from a portfolio to a blog or e-commerce store, Tailor Brands focuses primarily on simple branded sites. Premium subscribers on Tailor Brands can create sites using a variety of professional-looking templates with the opportunity to connect to their own custom domain. You can choose between building your site with a convenient editor or using the automated builder to do most of the work for you. The automated solution is ideal for those with limited time and coding knowledge. After creating a branded site for your business instantly, the automated tool allows you to make various changes to individual sections, such as headers and footers. However, there are only a handful of styles to choose from. The more advanced builder gives users a little more freedom, but it does require a bit more technical knowledge. It comes with options to implement different layouts for mobiles and tablets. Plus, you can use drag and drop widgets, pop-ups, and checkout pages to unlock opportunities for conversions. The Shopify website builder is among the most popular web design tools in the world, trusted by millions of businesses worldwide. The drag and drop solution gives users dozens of professional and free themes to choose from, with the opportunity to customize everything from fonts and color palettes to imagery and functionality. Shopify's site builder is a lot more advanced overall, offering everything from integrated search engine optimization tools for your blog to custom checkout pages for your e-commerce store. It also comes with its own payment processing solution, Shopify Payments, so you can start managing online transactions as quickly and seamlessly as possible. You can create coupon codes, FAQs for customers, and even sell on channels like Amazon and eBay with integrations. For those with more advanced needs, Shopify can also offer access to comprehensive coding tools, so you can adjust the design and UI of your website and even create a headless commerce store. Plus, the Shopify app marketplace makes it extremely easy to integrate your site with a range of other tools, whereas Tailor Brands provides far more limited options for integrations. For a small business owner looking to build a strong online presence, both Tailor Brands and Shopify have a lot to offer. Both tools allow business owners to build crucial assets, such as websites and logos, using artificial intelligence and convenient, straightforward interfaces. Both options are also excellent for beginners, with virtually no coding knowledge required. However, Tailor Brands is more likely to be suited to companies looking to brand and grow their business, thanks to its range of design tools and solutions for registering your business name or startup company. On the other hand, Shopify is an ideal choice if you're looking for an e-commerce platform that comes with access to a variety of branding and marketing tools. So I believe that's it for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.